make Sabudana Khichdi, and this Sabudana Khichdi could be eaten during the fasting time, or it could be eaten any time of the year. My family enjoys any time, so I'm going to use Sabudana, which is called sago or tapioca pulse, and today I'm making not the sweet version, it's the savory thing. So here you could see this is the tapioca pulse. I have taken 1 cup of tapioca pulse, but before that I want to tell you this tapioca is made from this thing. This is called yuca or cassava in some of the countries or islands, or this is called tapioca too. So from this tapioca, these pulse are being made. So what I did, I had washed this thoroughly, and I had soaked this for at least 6 hours, and I have used 1 cup of tapioca pulse. So what I did, washed it, and I have soaked at least half a cup of water, not too much of water, and soaked it for 6 hours. And this is what it looks like after 6 hours. It has been doubled in size now, and if I press one, it's like a sponge here. You could see it's like a sponge. So this has been soaked for 6 hours. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some oil on this, around 1 teaspoon of oil, and I'm going to mix this nicely. A little bit more maybe, and then the oil should be coated in each pull. Alright, so now let's look at other ingredients. Press the red subscribe button, should turn gray. Press the bell icon, select all. Here I have 1 medium-sized boiled and diced potatoes, around 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts. I have crushed them, and then I'm going to use some cilantro, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, salt to taste, a little bit of sugar. Here I have curry leaves and 1 green chili and some lime. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of salt in here, mix it, and now I'm going to microwave this for at least 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going to put the microwave lid on top and microwave it for at least 2 minutes for now. After 2 minutes, I think it's really cooked now, so I'm not going to cook further, but I'm going to now add some crushed peanuts here. I have mixed thoroughly now, and you could see like each pulse have been separated. Earlier, before when I had taken it out from the microwave, it was like in a gel form, but I had put the peanuts here, and when I was like mixing it together thoroughly, all the pulse were separating. You could see now. Some you'll see in a little bit of jelly form, but that's okay. So now let's go cook them. I have poured 1 teaspoon of oil. You always use ghee too at this point, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of jeera. Let it crackle a little bit, and now I'm going to add curry leaves and the green chilies here. Now I'm going to add the potatoes. I'm going to add some salt only for the potatoes because earlier I have added in the tapioca balls already. So now I'm going to just add only for the potatoes here. By the way, I'm using the rock salt here. That's called fasting salt. Just saute it for another 2 minutes, and then it should be done. Because it's already boiled. The potatoes are boiled, so it doesn't matter how long you cook in here. But I just want to give it a little bit of brown color, and then it will be done. I like a little bit spicy, so I'm going to add a little bit of chili powder here. Give it a stir. It's been now 2 to 3 minutes, so I'm going to add the tapioca pulse here, the sago or the sabudana. Give it a good mix. To add, I'm going to add sugar now and some lime juice. Add cilantro, mix it well. I'm just going to cook only for another 1 more minute, and it should be ready to serve. Now this is ready to serve. You can always adjust the salt, lemon and the sugar according to your taste. And the Sabudana Khichdi should be always be like separated. It should not be like in a gel form. So this tastes great. You can see now all the pearls are separated. Okay, now it's ready to serve. The Sabudana Khichdi is ready now. You can eat it as it is, or you can eat it with the plain yogurt. I like it like that only, so I'm going to give it a try here. It's so yummy, and the crunchiness from the peanut makes it so yummy. You should give it a try now. Please follow the recipe which I gave you. Follow each and every step, and you will never go wrong in making Sabudana Khichdi. If you enjoyed watching today's video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my uploads. Thank you for watching, and see you soon with another next recipe. Till then, bye.